Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode. Now today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make my take of a beef stroganoff. For the ingredients for my take of the stroganoff is beef. This is the tender beef. I have cooking oil, I have mustard, I have cream, I have paprika, and one of the main ingredients when you think of a stroganoff, mushroom and onion. So watch till the end, you see how simple it is to make it. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do when starting to cook is heat some oil. The best tip that I can give you whenever you're cooking food so that you use less oil, add oil to a hot pan. And to that, we will start browning the meat. So I'm cooking it in batches. I'm not going to cook the whole amount of meat at the same time. And the whole point is because I want to brown the meat. If you put all the meat at the same time, it will start stewing, which is what we want to avoid. So I've cooked the meat in 2 batches. So first batch, put it aside, cook the second batch, put it aside, and then like that. While the pan is still hot, I'll add the mushroom, a little bit of oil, so we're going to fry the onion and mushrooms until they are also cooked and brown, and add more oil if you feel you need to. Now the next step is add some seasoning. I'm going to add some salt. You can also salt and pepper. One of my secret ingredients for this dish to make it really interesting is paprika. So this meat is about 750 grams. So for that I'll use about 2 tablespoons of paprika. You can use more if you like. Now it will give it some nice smoky flavor, and stir. So stir in the mustard. So if you need to add some more mustard, you can always do that. And now a little bit of water. Now traditionally this recipe you can use white wine. So I'm adding a little bit of water to deglaze the pan. You know, whatever that was sticking at the bottom of the pan, especially if you don't have a non-stick, you're not using a non-stick pan, and let it cook as it reduces before adding the cream. So finally the cream. So I said earlier we are using fresh cream, but you can actually use sour cream. The recipe calls for sour cream because it has a nice flavor. If you don't have sour cream, use fresh cream. When you use it with mustard and the paprika that like I've done, it has its own unique flavor, and that's my twist. That's my take of this delicious dish. Now that I've added the cooking cream to just cover the meat, all I need to do is cover and let it simmer for about 5 minutes because I'm using tender beef. So as we come to a close, food is ready. I had to warm it up again, but it's fine. I put chopped parsley, then serve it. Together with my rice and French beans. And then before I dig in, I have to take a photo, quick photo so that I actually post it on the PieMe app. To post on PieMe, open the app, go to the pie section on your profile, select the category of food, say next, add a title to your food, then select a photo from your images, the photo you like, write something about it, and post. So that's today's meal. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. I'm signing out, and if you want to know more about PieMe, check them out on socials, and most importantly, download the app. Until next time, goodbye.